Sparkle Explorers! Welcome back!
We've already had so much fun, counting all the way from 0 to 13. Are you ready for the next part of our adventure? Make sure you have your number passports ready, because we're about to blast off on an amazing journey. First, we're heading to Rocket Ridge, then we'll dance through the glowing Firefly Field, and finally we'll climb all the way up to Twinkle Trail. That's where we'll find the super special number 26. Did you know that's how many letters are in the whole alphabet? It's going to be so exciting! Are you ready? Let's get counting and start sparkling. Look over there! By the mountainside, we have 14 shiny rocks. And can you see those little flames? 15 flames are glowing with pride. Let's sign up these 16 sticks just right. And whoa! 17 rockets are getting ready to blast into sight. Let's all say it together. Rocket Ridge, we count and fly. You did it! Now hold on tight. We're entering the magical Firefly Field. Look, 18 fireflies are blinking in the gentle breeze. And over there, 19 little sparkles are dancing through the trees. Oh, wow, 20 glows are floating up so high and bright. And can you hear that? 21 giggles are lighting up the night. Let's shout it out! Firefly Field glows so bright, fantastic. Okay, get your climbing paws ready. We're heading up Twinkle Trail. Let's take 22 footsteps as we climb up high. Our 23 dreams are brushing the sky. Look up! 24 stars are softly gleaming just for us. And listen, 25 voices are joining our team. We're almost there! 26 letters from A to Z. That's the whole alphabet for you and me. Let's all cheer. Twinkle Trail where letters be. Great job, Caticorn crew. Now let's count it out together and make it shine. Are you ready to chant with me? Here we go! 14 rockets bright, 15 take flight, 16 count true, 17 zoom through, 18 firefly gleam, 19 glow beam, 20 dream team, 21 shimmer fun, 22 trail begin, 23 stars within, 24 climb high more, 25 shine and thrive, 26 all letters alive. Wow! You are all amazing counters. We counted everything big and small, from 0 all the way to 26. We know them all. We've seen letters and numbers side by side, and our whole Caticorn crew can count with so much pride. You did it! Explorers! You've mastered every number